Two headphones, two sound experiences. Find the one that feels right every day. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the JBL Tune 720BT and Soundcore Q30 headphones to see which one comes out on top. From sound quality and noise cancellation to comfort, battery life, and smart features, we'll cover the key differences to help you find the perfect pair. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. The JBL Tune 720BT features a lightweight plastic construction with soft padded ear cushions, an adjustable headband, and a foldable design that makes it easy to carry for everyday use. In contrast, the Soundcore Q30 offers a more premium feel with memory foam ear cups, a reinforced foldable frame, and thicker padding that provides enhanced comfort during extended listening sessions. The JBL Tune 720BT is tuned with a bass-focused sound signature, powered by 40mm drivers, delivering punchy lows and energetic audio suitable for pop, hip-hop, and everyday entertainment. Meanwhile, the Soundcore Q30 offers a more balanced and customizable sound profile with high-res audio support and app-based EQ adjustments, allowing users to tailor the sound to their preferences. The JBL Tune 720BT does not include active noise cancellation and relies on passive isolation from its over-ear design to reduce ambient noise. In contrast, the Soundcore Q30 features hybrid active noise cancellation with dedicated transport, indoor, and outdoor modes, along with a transparency mode that lets outside sounds pass through when needed. The JBL Tune 720BT delivers exceptional battery life of up to 76 hours on a single charge and supports Bluetooth 5.3 for efficient wireless connectivity. On the other hand, the Soundcore Q30 offers up to 40 hours of playback with ANC enabled and up to 60 hours with ANC disabled, along with Bluetooth 5.0 and multi-point connectivity for seamless switching between devices. The JBL Tune 720BT supports customizable EQ settings through its companion app, multi-point connections, voice assistant access, and hands-free calling. Meanwhile, the Soundcore Q30 includes extensive app controls, customizable EQ presets, ANC mode selection, transparency mode, multi-point pairing, and high-res audio support for greater personalization. The JBL Tune 720BT launched in 2023 with a budget-friendly price point of around $79 to $99, focusing on long battery life and strong everyday performance. The Soundcore Q30 launched in 2020 at approximately $79.99, offering premium features such as hybrid ANC and advanced sound customization at a competitive price. The JBL Tune 720BT launched in 2023 with a budget-friendly price point of around $79 to $99, focusing on long battery life and strong everyday performance. The Soundcore Q30 launched in 2020 at approximately $79.99, offering premium features such as hybrid ANC and advanced sound customization at a competitive price. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.